So, have you been getting enough sleep? Do you want to know how you can improve the quality of your sleep? Today, we will go over 5 simple ways to do that. Number 1. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. Our brain and body tends to follow a pattern when it comes to sleep. If we set a schedule and follow it consistently, we can control when we sleep and wake up. This means that we should set an alarm and wake up at a regular time every day. Number 2. Sleep in a dark sleep environment. A dark sleep environment prompts us to sleep. We can do this by decreasing the ambient lighting 1 hour before we plan to sleep and minimize our exposure to lights from our electronics. Number 3. Change our body's temperature. There are 2 techniques that help us fall asleep by changing our body's temperature. The first one is taking a warm bath or shower 30 minutes before bedtime. And the second is sleeping in a cooler room. Both causes the body to cool down, which stimulates the production of melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that maintains the body's internal clock that tells the body when to sleep and wake up. Number 4. Listen to relaxing music and block out noise. By listening to relaxing music or music with delta brainwaves or white noise by using a white noise machine or app, we can relax and fall asleep faster. We can also block out disruptive noise by using earplugs. Number 5. Do not nap during the day if possible. By napping during the day, our sleep schedule is negatively affected and it will make it difficult to sleep at night. Now that you know all 5 ways to improve your sleep, it's time to implement it in your life. Please take the time to write down all the small things you will do today to sleep better from now on. We at Health Charge hope you will now sleep a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and like always, please like and subscribe for more health videos. Let's keep our health charged.